Alright, you guys, I've got a interesting ticking noise coming from the floorboard area here. I've torn up the entire carpet because I am sick of trying to figure out where this is coming from. If you can hear this, hold on a second. Hear that ticking? Alright, it's obviously engine related. So is it just the vibrations of the engine coming through the floorboard? Because I don't see any holes anywhere. Because I saw online where another guy had a lot of trouble trying to track down a strange tick sound like this. And he finally found that there was a gap around the steering column, which there is not. It is right around in here. Okay, there's your where your accelerator pedal mechanism bolts to the floorboard right there. I am right in this area. And it is right down in here. Is this normal? It's not related to the air conditioning because the AC is off. The noise shuts off if the engine is not running. So it's obviously vibration or noise coming from the engine itself. If anyone has heard anything like this and resolved it, I've already checked everything else. So if you have resolved this funky ticking sound, please comment below. Listen closely. And it's not speedometer related either, because I just replaced the entire instrument cluster and it did not make a single difference. So please help if you've heard this noise before and you have resolved it. Please let me know.